Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that pops up all the time. Your check engine light comes on. You plug in a scanner, you clear the code, and poof, the light is gone. But is it really safe to just reset it and forget it? Let's dive in. So, that little amber light on your dashoof, officially called the malfunction indicator lamp, or is your car's way of saying, hey, I've noticed a problem. It could be something as simple as a loose gas cap, or it could be a sign of a much more serious issue. When a problem is detected, your car's computer, the AC, stores a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, that tells a technician what's wrong. Now, using a simple OBD scanner to clear that code is super easy. You plug it in, hit clear, and the light goes out. It feels like you've fixed the problem, right? Well, not exactly. All you've done is erase the message. You haven't actually addressed the root cause of the problem. Think of it like deleting a text message from your boss about a deadline you missed. Deleting the message doesn't change the fact that the deadline was missed. So, what's the big deal? If the light stays off, the problem is gone, right? Sometimes, you might get lucky. Maybe it was a temporary glitch. The sensor got a weird reading for a split second, and after a reset, it won't come back. This is what we call an intermittent fault. But more often than not, the problem is still there, lurking in the background. Let's say the code was for a misfire. Be clearing it, you're telling the computer to ignore that misfire for a while. But the engine is still misfiring. Unburned fuel is being dumped into your exhaust system, where it can overheat and destroy your catalytic converter. That's a repair that can cost thousands of dollars, all because a simple misfire was ignored. Or maybe the code was for a faulty oxygen sensor. Clearing it might make the light go away, but your car will be running inefficiently, burning more fuel and potentially failing an emissions test. The check engine light is not just a nuisance. It's a vital part of your car's health monitoring system. When it comes on, it triggers what's called a freeze frame. This is a snapshot of all your car's sensor data at the exact moment the fault occurred. This information is incredibly valuable for a technician trying to diagnose the problem. When you clear the code, you erase that freeze frame data, making it much harder to figure out what went wrong. It's like wiping the fingerprints from a crime scene before the detective arrives. So, when is it okay to clear the code? The only time you should clear a check engine light is after you have confirmed the problem has been properly diagnosed and repaired. For example, if you find your gas cap was loose, you can tighten it and then clear the code. Or, if you've replaced a faulty sensor, clearing the code is the final step to confirm the fix was successful. If the light stays off after a few drive cycles, congratulations, you've fixed it. But if you're just clearing the code to make the light go away, you're playing a risky game. You could be causing more damage, costing yourself more money in the long run, or even compromising your car's safety and reliability. Your car is trying to talk to you. Don't just tell it to be quiet. Listen to what it has to say. Scan the code, find out what it means, and get the problem addressed. It's the smart, safe, and ultimately cheaper way to handle that pesky little light. I hope this clears things up for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Got a question about your check engine light? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.